We'll win this war. Today and out. You'll never kill us all. Alright. Come on, I got this. Fall back, man. Fall back. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. This thing's powerful enough, but I got it right. Run! Run! It followed us! I need to get up there. Oh God, I'm gonna fall. Everyone get up! Yeah, I got up. Set up the cameras. Alright. Alright, I got the camera. Hello, everybody. Yeah, hello. Hey, this is cool. Let me throw the phone to Alligator. But you just dropped it. Is this recording? Hello? Alright. The thing left. Alright. Keep the camera. Since I don't know. Take the camera. I'm gonna go save them. We lost our bunker. So we had to stay here for the night. Hey, there's a camera right there. There's a camera. Hold on, let me turn the camera on. Yeah. So this camera is yours? Yes. Alright. Well, you don't know whose camera it is. You just found it. God, my head's too big. We'll do this. Whoever can find this message, I will give it to you and make sure you have a tape player. Good thing. Because I'm gonna pop this in the tape. Doesn't matter. Alright. I'll see you next time. If you liked it and enjoyed it, well then follow. Why did I say follow? I don't know what I'm supposed to say. But next time is part 2. So goodbye. Oh, by the way, the next series, when I'm done with the whole Animal World War II thing, I'm actually gonna do a Lego one because I already got the stuff. A ship. I don't think you can see that, but it's like a little tank, robot, and Lego. I have more than that. I don't know what else to pick. But I'll see you guys in the next time. Goodbye.